Alright, what's going on YouTube? I'm Jason and welcome to the first ever vlog of the Jason Meng Stories. So today I'm actually going to meet up with a couple of friends to sort of take a little adventure out of town here. So I thought it's a perfect opportunity to bring you guys with me, show you guys sort of what I do on weekends, what my life is like. I'm trying to make it interesting through a bunch of cinematic sequences. So I'm going to hop in my car, I'm going to meet up with my friends. We're going to go out to Banff, Lake Louis, see ice castles. Most likely the title of this video. Alright, so let's get going. I just made it to our first rendezvous point. I made up with 3 other friends here. It's negative 15 degrees outside, so it's really cold. But yeah, we're gonna hop into my buddy's car. We're gonna drive up to the north where our driver is actually waiting for us. Driver, I mean friend. That's what he really is. But that's essentially what's gonna be happening right now. Here's the squad. That's Steven, Brody. He also has a channel. What is it? Blue Thunder Supply, right?
Brody Campbell, bro.
Oh, sorry. Right. Brody Campbell Vlogs. That's what it was, right? Brody Campbell Vlogs. You got.
I'll comment to link.
You got. Whoever he is. You got Puyan.
Whoa.
Sorry, no, I'm joking. This is Ali. This is Ali. So yeah, that's the squad. We're going out. We're gonna fly the drone right now. We're gonna get some shots. But yeah, we'll catch you guys when we start flying the drones. Alright guys, we finally made it to our first destination. That is Barrier Lake. We're gonna pull out the drones right now, throw some B-roll on here, just so you guys can sort of see. Right now it's really icy. The lake is completely frozen over. But I think we're still gonna get some really nice shots. So let's go see it. Hookup from TNT Honda. They actually let us use their 2018 Civic SI, so we just like test it out, do a little video for them, just have a little fun with it. And honestly, it's really generous of them. They essentially like filled up our fuel, gave us the car for the entire day, and honestly, yeah, I was having an absolute blast. So I think right now we're gonna head over to Banff because like, what is it? It's like 1 p.m. Yeah, it's like 1 p.m. right now. We haven't eaten at all. So we've been out here for a few hours now, so we really gotta eat, refuel, and then we'll go see the ice castles. Alright, so we all finally just made it to Banff. We're gonna grab some pizza. So right now we're gonna go here. Right here. Yeah, we're gonna go grab some pizza right now. What time is it right now? I think it's like 2 p.m. Yeah, it's 2 p.m. We haven't eaten since like what, like 9 in the morning. So it's time to get some pizza.
You guys, how you doing?
Good, are you? Can we get a table for 5?
5? Yeah. Medium, spicy special, and
Meat lovers, medium, yeah.
anything else I can get you? Just the
That's it. That's it for now, yeah.
This is the house special.
Oh, cute.
Alright, so yeah, we just finished eating, so now we're gonna go grab some beaver tails. If you guys don't know what it is,
I don't even know what it is.
honestly, yeah, I was gonna say, I literally have no idea what it is, but it's really famous to Banff. There's some dessert, and it's supposed to represent or look like a beaver tail.
We'll definitely let you know, you guys know how it tastes.
No, it's true, yeah, we'll let you know how it tastes, but honestly, I said no clue whatsoever how it tastes, but we'll catch you guys there. Can I grab the chocolate hazelnut? So yeah, we just got the beaver tails here. This is essentially what it looks like. It's literally just a fried donut and then mixed with Nutella on top. So let's see how it actually tastes. It's actually really good. Cheers, guys. If it comes to Banff, come try these beaver tails. It's actually really, really good. So finally home. So I think right now it's about, it's 10 p.m. right now. We left this morning at 9 a.m. So it has effectively been 13 hours. So since I've been out of town, honestly, I am so exhausted. But honestly, today has been so much fun. And I really hope that all of you guys have really enjoyed the footage. And coming soon, I'm thinking about doing a sort of get to know me video. So I feel like right now I haven't really connected with my audience. As of right now, you just sort of see like the short films I'll create or these kind of vlogs. I really want you guys to get to know me as well. So please, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. And please just leave a comment, anything. Right, what you liked, what you hated. Honestly, leave anything from me. And of course, please subscribe because it'll really help me, and hit that notification button so you can stay tuned to any new videos. I do hope to upload every single Wednesday night, maybe around 6 p.m. Mountain Time. So that's 5 p.m. Pacific and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, thanks a lot, guys, and I'll catch you guys next Wednesday.